how you speak the language. The sentence has to be spoken in a certain way to make sense. Just like that, there is a grammar for the story also. You know, we have 9 rasas, 9 emotions, and there is a grammar on how you play with the emotion. Once you start a particular emotion, it dictates how the second emotion should be. That will dictate how the third emotion should be. So there is a flow of events. In the flow of events, if the love portion comes in, then I will play love emotion. Love is also an emotion. Anger is an emotion. No, fantasy is an emotion. Fantastical elements is an emotion. So like that, just because I have the most beautiful girl as my heroine, I will not play the love part. The story has to demand. Just because there is Charan, just because they make a very good pair, I will not play out the love scenes. No, that will hamper my storytelling. Earlier, someone was asking me what is the success like. This is one of the reasons. Of course, the audience are very, very important to me. Audience expectations are very, very important to me. But I will not let that dictate how I tell my story. The story is the most important thing, and I will play according to that. Thank you.
ರಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆನಾ? ಯೂಶಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಬಂದರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದದೇ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದದೇ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಂಥದ್ದೇನು? ಯಾಕೆ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತನಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾ, ಏನಿತ್ತು ಆ ಥಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು?
See, when I made Bahubali, we made it in Telugu and Tamil. We also dubbed into Hindi. We also dubbed into Malayalam, and we released the trailers. And when we released the film itself, you should see the number of comments that I got, either in the channels or in my Twitter feed, cursing me because I didn't make a film in Kannada, because I didn't dub it into Kannada. And there people were cursing me like, you give importance to other languages, you dub it into Malayalam, you dub it into Hindi, and you don't dub it into Kannada. Do you think Kannadigas are lesser than other people? There were so many comments. And for us it was like, no, we want to dub into every language possible. I am from Karnataka, I want to dub it into my own language. But there were rules at that point of time saying dubbing is not allowed into Kannada. So at that point in time we couldn't do. Right? Like you said, people from Karnataka are used to watching the film in the original language, but it is not the entire population of Karnataka. Some people in Karnataka want to watch it in the original language. There is another set of population who want to watch it in the Kannada itself. So in Karnataka, obviously, we'll be releasing in Telugu and we'll be releasing in Kannada also. The people who want to watch it in whichever language they want to, they will watch it in that language. But when we make it in Kannada, when we dub it into Kannada, we will take every care that we can. Lots of importance has been given to every voice, that every word is pronounced as perfectly as possible. A direct Kannada star can speak a few words wrong, people would not mind. But if Telugu heroes are coming and speaking in Kannada, people will look at with magnifying glasses. Is this Kannada correct or not? So that much care we had to take, and we took every care. And I'm guessing that the trailer denotes how good the pronunciation is. And we still are humans. We might have made some mistakes, and we will learn that and correct in the coming films. Thank you.
ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ಪವರ್ ಟಿವಿ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ.